How dare you? You can stay on that naughty spot for 2 whole minutes whilst you think about your actions, Mono. I'm very disappointed. Oh, I'm sorry you had to witness that, guys. Unfortunately, Mono's been really naughty today. You wouldn't believe what he's been up to. I'll show you a bit later. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to say sentences in Spanish where we say the colour of something. So, for example, it's a blue elephant or it's a black bull. So we're going to be using the colours that we learnt 2 lessons ago and combining that with the verb es that we learnt in our last lesson. All that to come. Empecemos. Hello everybody and welcome to another Spanish lesson. In today's lesson we're going to combine 2 previous lessons. So we're going to look on the one hand at colours and on the other hand we're going to look at it is, which is the verb es in Spanish. And we're going to do this in order to be able to describe an object by giving an adjective with a noun. For example, it is an elephant would be es un elefante. If I want to say what colour that elephant is, for example, if I say it's a blue elephant, I would say es un elefante azul. And what I've done is I've set some sentences up around the house. We're going to go and find them and we're going to read what they say. However, Mono, who's very disruptive, has interfered with the activity. He's in big trouble. Anyway, before we do that, let's warm up with our numbers. I've got 2 piles again today. One is based on numbers that we've seen previously and the other pile are the new numbers. So let's start with the numbers we've seen previously. So here we go, mixing them up. Off we go. So this is 49. Your turn. Muy bien. Do you remember this one? 10. 14. 30. 68. And 54. Well done. Let's have a look at our new numbers then. So the number we ended on yesterday was the number 70, which was 70. And we're going to count forwards now until we get to 80. So 70. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. Make sure you're saying these after me. 78. 79. And 80. Go to that one again. 80. Well done. So we're doing really well with those numbers. Okay, we're almost ready to go and find those hidden sentences. But before we do that, there's something that I need to explain to you. In Spanish, when they say it's a blue house, for example, they actually say it's a house blue. And the adjective comes after the noun. They switch it round. So they say it's a house blue. Es una casa azul. Or, they say instead of it's a green frog, they say it's a frog green. Es una rana verde. Okay? And you switch the order of the adjective and noun in Spanish. And that's really key that you know that before we start on our sentence search. Off we go. I wonder where the first sentence is. Okay, so we're in the kitchen and I've got my first sentence here. Let's have a read what it says. Es un toro negro. It's a black bull. Es un toro negro. Repeat after me. Es un toro negro. Good. One more time. Es un toro negro. Let's have one more look at that sentence. So as I said, it's a black bull is es un toro negro. Es un negro toro? It's a black bull. Es un negro toro? Who's done this to my papers? They're all muddled up. It's not es un negro toro. It's es un toro negro. We changed the order of toro and negro. Oh, who has been messing with my papers? So our next sentence then, hidden on the house, is on the stairs. And this one says, it's a green frog. Es una rana verde. Es una rana verde. Literally, it's a frog green. So repeat after me. It's a green frog. Es una rana verde. Muy bien. Let's have another look at our wonderful sentence. Es una verde rana, green frog? It's the other way around. Who has been messing my papers again? It's not green frog, it's frog green. Rana verde, es una rana verde. Put this one back. Was that you, Mono? So let's read the sentence one more time. It's a green frog. Es una rana verde. Let's go and find our next secret sentence. Okay, our next secret sentence is on the sofa. And it says, it's a white seagull. Remember, in Spanish they say, it's a seagull white, and they change the order. Es una gaviota blanca. See? Es una gaviota blanca. It's a seagull white. Remember, in Spanish we don't say it's a white seagull, we say it's a seagull white. Es una gaviota blanca. Repeat after me. Es una gaviota blanca. Muy bien. Let's have another look at our beautiful sentence. As you can see, it's a white seagull is es una gaviota blanca. Es una blanca gaviota. It's a white seagull? Es una blanca gaviota? Someone has changed the order of these pieces of paper again. Mono, is that you? Do that one more time and you are going straight to the naughty spot. This is your warning. It's not es una blanca gaviota. It's the right way to say it is es una gaviota blanca, with the colour, the adjective, after the noun. Let's do that one more time. Es una gaviota blanca. Repeat after me. Es una gaviota blanca. Muy bien. Okay, we're at the table for our final hidden sentence. And it says, it's a white chicken. Es una gallina blanca. Es una gallina blanca. Remember, we don't say it's a white chicken in Spanish. We say it's a chicken white. We change the order. Es una gallina blanca. Repeat that with me. Es una gallina blanca. One more time. Es una gallina blanca. Muy bien. Let's have one more look at our beautiful sentence. So here we go with our beautiful sentence. It's a white chicken. Es una gallina blanca. Wait! Mono, not again. It's not es una blanca gallina. It's es una gallina blanca. That sounds so much better. Es una gallina blanca. Repeat one more time. Es una gallina blanca. It's a white chicken. Right, Mono, I gave you a chance. Go to the naughty spot at once.